The year was 1941. The United States was on the edge of entering a global conflict that would reshape the world. The need for warships was immediate. Traditional shipbuilding methods would take months, even years, to meet the demand. But time was a luxury no one had. The solution? Mobilize the industrial might of American factories, transforming ordinary production lines into war machines capable of creating naval vessels almost overnight. In a town that most Americans had never heard of, a massive industrial plant stood ready. Originally built for manufacturing automobiles, this factory had a secret advantage. Its design allowed rapid reconfiguration of machinery, a key factor in wartime production. Within days, engineers redesigned assembly lines. Car parts were replaced with naval components. Workers trained for auto assembly were suddenly welding hulls and installing engines for warships. Turning a car factory into a shipyard was no small feat. Everything had to be calculated with precision. Blueprints were reworked, supply chains reorganized, and production schedules tightened to their absolute limits. Every hour counted. Teams worked around the clock, in shifts, fueled by sheer determination and patriotism. The factory wasn't just building ships, it was racing against time itself. The real heroes were the workers, men and women from diverse backgrounds, many of whom had never seen a shipyard before, were trained in record time. They learned the art of precision welding, assembly, and navigation equipment installation, all under immense pressure. We knew it was impossible, but we had to try. Every weld, every bolt, it mattered. There was no room for error. And against all expectations, the factory delivered. Ships that would normally take months to build were completed in mere weeks. These vessels were deployed immediately, strengthening America's naval capabilities and altering the course of wartime strategy. It was not just a technical triumph, it was a symbol of American resilience, a testament to what a nation could achieve when necessity demanded innovation. After the war, the factory returned to civilian production, but its legacy endured. The methods developed during those frantic weeks became a blueprint for rapid industrial mobilization in future crises. Today, that factory stands as a reminder of a moment in history when ordinary people, working together, achieved the extraordinary, building a navy in weeks and showing the world the power of American industry. This story is not just about ships or factories. It's about determination, ingenuity, and the unstoppable spirit of human collaboration. The American factory that built a navy in weeks remains a beacon of what is possible when innovation meets urgency.